In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know on how to solve multi-step inequalities. So we're going to do two of them here, okay? And it should cover all the tricks that you need to know for these types of problems. So let's start with this one. So as usual, to isolate k, we use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. And we do the same operation to both sides. Okay, so we're trying to get k on its own. So here, what we're going to do is multiply both sides by 3 because we want to get this 3 out of the denominator here. So if we multiply both sides by 3, it looks like this. Okay, so now in this case, we did not multiply or divide by a negative number, so the inequality does not change direction. This is something important to remember, okay? So we keep our inequality the same as it was. So now we can cancel these 3's, and we're left with negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 greater than or equal to k minus 10. So now to undo the minus 10, we add 10 to both sides. Okay, so we're going to add 10 to both sides here. And these go away, right? Negative 10 plus 10 gives you nothing. But there's a trick here, and you don't have to always do this subtraction or addition to both sides. What we're really doing is we move the negative 10 over the inequality and change its sign. So what we did was we moved this negative 10 over to here and it becomes positive 10. That's really all you're doing. So that's another trick. So we're left with 1 minus 9 plus 10 is 1 greater than or equal to k. Or k is less than or equal to 1. So when you swap the left and right sides of an inequality, which is what we did here, you reverse the inequality sign to keep the statement true. So 1 is greater than or equal to k. So that means k is less than or equal to 1. Okay? So that's another trick to remember. So there's a couple more things to review on this side here. So for this one, we multiply both sides by negative 5. But over here, because we're multiplying by negative 5, our inequality flips and changes direction. So in this case, we multiply by a negative number, so the inequality changes direction. So here we have what we're doing. We're multiplying by negative 5 on both sides, so we flip this. The symbol is reversed. So now we could cross these out because they cancel. And so we're left with k minus 10 is less than negative 5 because 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. So now what we could do is just move the negative 10 over the inequality and change its sign. Okay, so we'll use this little trick on this side. So because we're going to move the negative 10 over, it becomes positive 10. So we have k is less than minus 5 plus 10. So the final answer for this one is k is less than 5. And that's it. Those are all the tricks you need to know for inequalities. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. And in the ebook, you'll find a link to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.